working in digital forensics and came across an FCF file. This is a case configuration file from a widely used forensic imaging tool. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain what these FTK Imager case files contain and how to work with them. We're tackling this FCF file systematically, and I've reserved the most powerful data extraction technique for the end, just in case. FCF files are case configuration files created by FTK Imager, the digital forensic imaging and data preview tool, by Exterro, formerly AccessData. They store case setup information, including evidence item, references, image file paths, hash verification values, and case metadata for organizing forensic acquisition and analysis sessions. FTK Imager FCF case files use an XML-based format storing case name and identifier, evidence source paths, acquired image file references, MD5 and SHA1 hash values, acquisition timestamps, and examiner information. The format organizes multiple evidence items within a single forensic case container reference. For full editing functionality, FCF requires FTK Imager, which is supplied by Exterro. Windows allows basic viewing, but true content manipulation requires a specialized application. Windows does not process proprietary data structures, so dedicated applications must read them. Your quick fix starts here. Right-click the FCF file and choose Open With. If FTK Imager is installed, test it immediately. If not, select a different option. Multiple attempts are common. If the FCF file is still giving you trouble, relax. The reason is usually simple, involving one of three common issues. Here's a quick breakdown of what they are and how to check them. First, opening an FTK Imager. Launch FTK Imager and open the FCF file using File, then Open. The case loads with all referenced evidence items and forensic images listed in the Evidence Tree panel. Browse the file system structure of each evidence item to examine files, directories, and recovered data within the forensic images. Next, verifying evidence integrity. Within FTK Imager, verify the integrity of acquired forensic images by right-clicking an evidence item and selecting Verified Drive Image. The tool recalculates hash values and compares them to the stored hashes in the FCF case file, confirming that the forensic evidence has not been modified since acquisition. Finally, exporting case data. Export individual files, or entire directory trees, from the forensic evidence using the export files. Function in FTK Imager. Right-click any item in the file list and select Export Files to save copies for analysis. Generate hash reports using File, then Export to create verification documentation for chain of custody records. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often the best way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. At this stage, your most reliable recourse is a comprehensive solution like FileMagick. It's built to bypass the limitations of basic tools available at FileMagick.com. Tell me the status of your file in the comments. Hit the subscription button if you want faster solutions in the future.